Hello viewers, this is Anchor Isha Angorani. Welcome to EQ International Magazine, India's oldest and leading solar media. And today we are glad to have Mr. Sunil. He is a managing director of K Solare. Hello sir, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. How about you?
Yeah, all good sir. Give a brief introduction of your company.
Yeah. First of all, thank you very much for EQ International for giving me this opportunity. K Solare Energy Private Limited is an Indian company. Almost we have crossed 13 successful years, and since beginning, like we are focusing more on grid tie inverters. So today we have become one of the largest inverter manufacturers. We are producing around 2,000 inverters per day. So that is the maximum inverters we are selling it, and we have complete range, rise from 1 kilowatt to 250 kilowatt. Out of that, till 50 kilowatt, we are doing 100% Indian content inverters.
So if we can talk about the product, so what are the product offers or service offerings you are?
See, basically, all the grid tie inverters are required to have services after 2 or 3 years. So we are there in this market having a complete service network. For this service network, we have implemented the CRM specially designed to give a backup to our customers all India level, because we have sold practically more than 4.5 lakh inverters, and it's quite a big quantity, and to service it you require to have a proper team which can provide a complete service. So we are proud that today we have a people who can do a service at component level or chip level, and we have more than 65 engineers throughout India who have been giving continuously service to our customers who have been using our inverter for last 13 years.
That's really great, sir. What sort of pricing, roadmap, demand, supply gap you anticipate for this financial year?
Yeah, the roadmap particularly for the procurement, because there are a lot of components which has to be imported, like IGBTs or the special type of components which we are dependent on outside agency. But rest of the things like the cabinet, inductors, or the transistors, or even the resistors, capacitors, we are procuring it locally, and we are giving a complete yearly plan to our suppliers. So with that, we are maintaining a complete adequate stock with us, and because of the Surya Ghar Yojana plan, the requirement has grown up almost 5 times more. So because earlier we were manufacturing only say 200 or 300 inverters, today practically we are manufacturing around 2,000 inverters. So you can see the jump in the business. It is not only for the K Solare, but for all the industry. The 5 times or X plus 5 is jump is there.
One last question from our side, sir. What and how can Indian government do better to promote export of solar panels from India and to boost manufacturing of solar panels in India?
See, basically, I cannot throw more light on solar panel because we are not manufacturing it. But definitely, you must have seen this in the exhibition. Almost more than 100 companies are there who are manufacturing solar panel. And I was discussing with some solar panel manufacturer. They are also now started exporting to other countries. So there is a big, business lined up now for the manufacturing of solar panel also.
Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable time and the insightful information you have provided, you have shared with us. It's really amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. And one more thing which I would like to add, like there are a lot of business opportunity in this solar industry. Like we are now, recently I have heard the news that we have already crossed 100 gigawatt. So there is a good sign for all the people who are associated with this sector. Secondly, we have introduced one very unique product. Unique in the sense we are the first company to introduce that product. We call it as a 7G Infinity, which is having 25 years warranty. So till now, only the panel manufacturer were able to give that warranty. Now, K Solar is one of the first company in the world which is providing 25 years warranty, and this comes with the complete replacement warranty, and the price is also not very high as compared to the conventional inverters. So thank you very much for giving me the opportunity. Thanks EQ International.
Thank you, sir. Thank you to you and your company for continuous success.